Hi guys, how to make Gamepass in PL's Donate. Now exit the Roblox player and go to your web browser. Navigate to create.roblox.com. This is where all your game creation and monetization tools live. On the left-hand menu, select Creations. Under the My Experiences tab, click on your default place, the one that automatically has your username in the title. Here's a common mistake. Clicking on the wrong game will create a pass for a different experience. Scroll down the left-hand menu to the monetization section and click on Passes. Once the page loads, click the blue Create a Pass button. This is where all your donation passes begin. You can optionally upload a custom image. Pro tip, a clean, colorful image sells better than the default icon. Give your pass a visible name that potential donors will see, add an optional description, and click Create Pass at the bottom. Click on the newly created pass from your list. On the left menu, select Sales. Toggle the switch for item for sale to on, enter your desired Robux price, for example 150 Robux, and click Save Changes. This is the most important step. Without this, your pass won't show up in donation games. Reopen Roblox and launch PLS Donate. Approach an empty stand, hold down the button to claim it, and your new donation price button will automatically appear.